Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best home electric car charger, selected for their seamless compatibility, making daily charging simple, cost-effective, and ready whenever your vehicle needs it.
All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. Alright, let's get started.
Number 1. Best Home Electric Car Charger. This best home electric car charger stands out as a versatile and feature-rich solution for EV owners who want control, safety, and efficiency in one unit. Its built-in Wi-Fi smart app integration allows real-time monitoring, letting users track charging status, receive full charge notifications, and adjust current between 6A and 32A. The scheduling function is particularly valuable for optimizing electricity costs, enabling off-peak charging with ease. The 2.8-inch LCD screen enhances usability by clearly displaying voltage, current, and overall charging performance, while LED indicators provide quick status updates. Safety is a major strength here, with multiple protections, including leakage detection, overvoltage, overcurrent, overheating, and lightning protection. The durable TPE cable and IP66 rated connector ensure reliable operation even in challenging weather conditions, delivering up to 7.2 kilowatts output at 230 volts. It's significantly faster charging compared to basic models, making it ideal for daily use.
Number 2. IPENGEN 16A Electric Car Charger. The IPENGEN 16A electric car charger is a practical and lightweight portable option designed for users who prioritize simplicity and reliability. With a 220V input and 16A current output, it delivers up to 3.5 kilowatt power, making it suitable for overnight home charging or occasional use. Its compact design and 1.65 kilogram weight make it easy to carry and store, while the 3.5 meter cable offers decent flexibility for various parking setups. The IP66 rating ensures strong resistance against dust and water, allowing safe outdoor use in different weather conditions. This charger supports Type 2/GBT connectors, making it compatible with a wide range of electric vehicles. While it lacks advanced smart features like app control or scheduling, its plug-and-play functionality appeals to users who prefer straightforward operation without complexity. It's especially useful as a backup charger or for travel, where portability is essential.
Number 3. Ennull 220-volt electric car charger. The Ennull 220-volt electric car charger is a budget-friendly portable solution aimed at users who need a simple and functional EV charging option. Operating at 220 volts with a maximum current of 16 amps, it delivers up to 3.5 kilowatt power, making it suitable for slow to moderate home charging. Its lightweight design at 1.7 kilograms and 3.5 meter cable length provide convenience for everyday use and easy handling. With an IP55 rating, it offers basic protection against dust and water, although it is slightly less rugged compared to higher-rated models. This charger is best suited for indoor or semi-protected outdoor environments. The device focuses on essential charging functionality without advanced features such as smart app control or detailed display systems, which keeps it simple and cost-effective. It's a practical option for users who want a no-frills charger that gets the job done reliably. While not the most feature-rich, the Ennull charger delivers consistent performance and is a reasonable choice for budget-conscious EV owners.
Number 4. IPENGEN 32A Electric Car Charger. The IPENGEN 32A electric car charger is a more powerful and flexible option designed for faster and more efficient home charging. With adjustable current settings ranging from 13A to 32A and a maximum output of 7 kilowatts, it significantly reduces charging time compared to lower capacity chargers. Built with high-quality materials like copper alloy and silver plating, it ensures strong conductivity and long-term durability. The 5-meter cable provides excellent reach, making it suitable for various garage or driveway configurations. Its IP56 rating offers solid protection against dust and water, enabling safe outdoor use.
Additionally, the wide operating temperature range from -30 degrees Celsius to +50 degrees Celsius ensures reliable performance in different climates. Although it lacks advanced smart connectivity features, its adjustable current function adds a layer of control for users who want flexibility in power usage.
Number 5. Teschev 16A Electric Car Charger. The Teschev 16A electric car charger is a well-rounded, portable charging solution that combines safety, functionality, and user-friendly features. With adjustable current settings from 8A to 16A and a maximum output of 3.5 kilowatts, it provides flexibility for different charging needs. One of its standout features is the comprehensive LED display, which shows detailed information such as charging temperature, voltage, current, energy consumption, and charging time. This level of transparency helps users monitor performance effectively. The charger also includes a timer function, allowing scheduled charging up to 10 hours in advance, which is ideal for managing electricity costs. Safety is a strong focus, with protections against leakage, overvoltage, overload, overheating, and lightning. Its IP65 rating ensures durability in outdoor environments, while the operating temperature range makes it suitable for various conditions. Weighing just 1.6 kilograms with a 3.5-meter cable, it remains portable and convenient.
And that wraps up the top 5 best home electric car charger. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.